Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch washing machine, a Classixx 1200 Express. The model number is WAE24162 GB03. It's written just inside the door there. That's where I'm reading it from. I'm going to show you today how to clean the lint filter on this machine. Down here on the bottom is a little plastic door, and in here is where we're going to go. So I noticed with this machine there was a bit of a rumble coming from it whenever I was doing laundry. Just before the pump came on, there's a bit of a clunk, 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 and I wonder, do I need to do anything to this pump? So, open that door, take it away. I'm indoors, so I'm going to use this little hose and release that into a bowl. And this bit's not particularly interesting. You can see there the water's draining off. If you're outside, you can just open this little plastic door straight away. It's no real worry. It'll just let out whatever water and stuff's in there, but I just want to save it and keep the place clean in here. Okay, so once the water stops flowing, just put the plug back in and get it out of your way. Then it's worth putting down a cloth or something like that just to catch any drips. There will be a few drips coming out of this. Unscrew this plug, let it out. The plug itself appears pretty clean, so I'm wondering what was that clunking coming from. And yeah, there it is. That's looks like a 5p piece. So that's why you want to keep your ears on these things, and if it sounds funny, it probably is funny. I've still made a mess on the floor, but I'm out in the garage. I'll give that a wipe there, just in case there's any grit or anything that might stop the rubber seal making a proper seal. If this was dirty, and it could be choked up with all sorts of stuff, hair clips and muck and hair and anything at all really, fluff, buttons, labels, plastic tabs. If it is all gunked up, just give it a rinse, give it a scrub under the tap and give it a wipe out inside. You can check the operation of the impeller blade with your finger if you want, just as I did. Put my fingers in there and just feel that it goes around. Then, once the door is closed and the hose is back, offer up the door and snap it shut. That's all there is to it. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching this Bosch Classixx 1200 Express, how to clean the lint filter. See you later.